morning. Good morning, everyone. Um, it's Thursday, fourth day of live streaming. Um, and here we go. Yesterday we had a good day. Uh, could have been better um, as far as trading level to level, but overall, lost the first 2 days, kept the losses tight. Um, I allow myself 350 a day, one trade. This is 323. This one ended up being 246. And 791. So far I'm 221 for the week. Said one trade each day. And that's the whole idea of going for at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio in all your trades, because if you don't, you can slowly just bleed out and lose your account. So by losing two to start off this live session account, um, yeah, it sucks to lose, but you make it all back in one session, So yeah, so here we are. Just marked out the same levels that I normally do. Today's low, today's high, which is right here to right here. I marked out some points on the 5 minute, which is what we're on right now. We got these lows right here, consolidation, and it could have been these highs right here too, but I didn't mark that out. Since it's so close to today's high, I just decided not to. Marked up this 1 hour, but I'm kind of more interested in this 5 minute right here, this bounce from right here to right here. So um, maybe I'll take that off actually. It's too close, 15 pips away. I'll just keep this 5 minute. Um, so there's a decent amount of room from this 5 minute to here. So if you want to be aggressive, I would say you can kind of potentially wait for this to break and then short it, and then hopefully this breaks and then you short it to the lows. And that move right there would be let's see, let's just say you got it right here, and that move is, yeah, over 100 points. So you're covered again um, to the upside. Like I said, it's kind of tough to long highs and lows of the day, but there's a huge move that happened yesterday, which ended up being a overall, um, let's just say to right here, 480 point move. So the bulls want to, push up. If we break above today's high, then we can start, slowly climbing up. And even half of this portion is 200 at some point. So that move up. So yeah, on the 1 hour, that was a 5 minute. This is the 1 hour. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little tired today. Like sleeping so good and didn't get a lot of rest, but still trying to make it up and do this. Um, so let's see. Those are my levels today. Yeah. Oh, there's news at 6:45. I think it's PMI. Um, let's see. Yeah. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI at 6:45. So honestly, I don't really want to get into trade before that. But if I do, it's gonna have to be at least 5 minutes before that all happens. And then there's some news at seven existing home sales. So we got some stuff going on today. So there should be a lot of volatility. Um, so yeah, just gonna see what happens for today. Um, let me pull up my big four, my laptop. Um, let's see, it's already ready to go. Just make sure the charts are enough stuff going on right here. All right. Okay, let me put my 1 minute, 5 minute up. I hate when it does that. I don't know. I have no idea why it does that. 244. I should have been. Um, let's knock that one out. Let's knock that one out. Let's knock that one out. Let's knock 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's knock this one out. Okay. Oh, I have to turn off the air. Let's do the 1 minute. Okay. Market's going to be open right now. So it's open. Market's open at my 5 minute level. So that's the opening print as well, which is, I'll just do this. Oh, there we go. Whatever. All right, I know it's blue. Let me work on taking off some of these levels here. I don't have Fridays. Delete that. Uh, the weekly. I'll delete that one too. I want to go lower. And then we'll just, yeah, I guess I'll just keep it like that. And then the high. All right. What happened to my levels? Like, dude, I hate that it does that. It's so stupid. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna rock with it. 5 minute, 1 minute up. Yeah, these are my levels. We're just. My intention is to try to go level to level. 80 points. Let's see my parameters. I'm risking 350 to get to 750, so I'm gonna do 800 actually. And I just put 350 because that's the max. But once I get into a trade, I'm gonna look to see what exactly I want to get. I need to turn off the here. It's too loud. Like, look at this rally that the market did from 5:30 in the morning. It just decided to reverse, right? Go up 180 points, just cleanly on the 5 minute. Off the 1 minute, same shit, clean. Look at this. Like, if you're waiting for a setup and you're trading morning, if you're trading, how do you say, pre-market session, we got a rejection. We broke it, retested it, continued higher. Stop should be below this level. And say you just get in, say you get in right here. See this pullback, lower highs, and you get into this bar. Get in this bar, 26, your stop is below here. Say your stop is below this one. It's like not even 20 points stop, and you run it for. You can go to today's high. Unfortunately, it didn't go there. But at that point, you can probably start trailing. After you pass this 5 minute, you can start trailing. So let's see. It's a nice little fake out. Like, look at that slap. That's why IQ is so crazy. It's an 80-point slap in 2 minutes. Like, there's my train. 80 points right there. I sell it off at 220 somehow. So I used to do that. I used to limit order in and be like, oh, where can it stop? It's like, oh, you don't have 220, 219. I don't, and just get rewarded big time. So, um, uh, I kind of would like to see it come up, reject opening print, and continue lower. But there's kind of a lot of volume coming down. Let's see. 5 minutes is in. Look at that level that I have perfectly held so far. I I feel like I don't need any help as far as getting my levels. Like, it's just, what else do you need? We're just gonna have some stupid price action, up, down, up, down, up, down. At this point, it's like go long. No, the big four is still pumping, so I don't really like shorts just yet. Like, alright. It's like, if I sell right now, I have to have my stop above 88. And the coverage actually. Let's see. It's 5 minute. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Try to get some legs. Let's see what the tilt is. Short 57. Oh, still like, what does the chart look like so far? My hunch says just wait. Just wait. So just wait. Just wait. Like, are we gonna just rally or we're gonna continue down? Rejecting, no. I'm gonna wait till news comes out at 6:45. We'll see how volatile that is. There could be a break and retest long potential. That's why continuation is shitty. No continuation. You break and retest long and you freaking, yeah. We're in this range, so I don't want to mess with it. Honestly, I would like to short the market. That's what I would like to do. Break today's lows and continue lower. That's what I like. But we'll see if we get that. This is where volatility is going to start kicking in. And this is where I did not want to be in a trade. Because if I was in long or short right now, say for example, you know what, I'm going to take a short right now. All right, short, my stop is above 200. And let's see if I get lucky. Short. I'm not going to go to short, but yeah, stop will be right. Just say 330. My target will be down here. Let's see how that would play out. Okay. Let's see. The news came out, so battling. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I'd still be in the trade. Still be in the trade. There's nothing too crazy actually so far. Alright, I'm gonna take this off, but knowing my stop was gonna be above here and long was today lows. So I'm gonna just take that off just so that that was a hypothetical trade. Um, yeah, market's chopping once again. Seems like I have too many levels. What's this? 3, 4, 5 level. Oh, I do have that one. Oh, that's not. Like, let's do the wedge thing again. Okay. Let's see what's going on. And then we're gonna do this again and just it's in this wedge. Like, there's nothing you can do. Until it breaks out or below and holds, then I'm not interested in a trade in this little thing. This is where what happened yesterday. So, um, but it was kind of lower highs, right? So in this case, there you go, bear flag. No, bull flag, and then pop. So what kind of move would that be? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Lower highs and higher lows. There's no trade to be taken just yet. You know, I don't want to try to predict like, okay, I'm gonna be right here and try to predict the breakout right here. Yeah, it probably didn't work, but I'd rather it break here, come back down, and hold this, and continue higher. That's my trade idea. Okay. Well, that's my trade idea. Let's see what happens. You're just gonna hold it right there. And the hard part in trading is actually like seeing price movement live and then acting upon it. Take out that little wick. Mhm. That was a nice push so far. Right here. Okay, now I'm gonna take this off. That was a nice trade right there. Mhm. I want this 5-minute candle to close. I probably want a retest of 200. And if it can hold 200, I probably will just get in. Um, Maybe retest this right here. Opening print would be the best. And then just go long. But we'll see right now what happens. Turn off my light. Unplugged. It's at my level. I don't really want to go long right now. I wanted to come back more. I can go long. I get more of a pullback. Get more of a pullback. Let's get more of a pullback. Lower high so far. And this is what I want to see. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And then a break, and I'm going to get in long. That's my trading plan right there. Breaking 55. See, it's actually kind of looks good for a moment right now. The price is trying to hold above the today's high. Yeah, I felt it. I felt it. Oh shit! I felt it, homie. Technically, I should have been getting in right here. 55. It's 30 points. Stop below this weight. That's all right. Now let's see the real retest right here of the today's high. If we can hold today's high, come back and retest this area, stop below this wick, then I have to take the trade. Like, I'm getting cold feet. Um, and that's kind of an issue that I want to work on, is that if it's at your level and you say you want to do it, then like try it. The only thing is today's highs and lows are my sketchy points. But excuse me. Shoot. The big four pumping, like they're pumping. Like, I don't know why Nas is moving like this, but the big four are pumping. You got a doji right here. Give me a pullback and I'm gonna go long. Give me a pullback and I'll go long. Oh, 7 o'clock's gonna happen, so I have to wait. Shit. Okay, come on. It's having trouble right here. Big four look good. They look strong. You gonna go BP? Okay. That hole right there. My level kind of holding so far. Today's high. Come on, retest it cleanly and let's continue higher. Gotta get my daughter.
Yeah.
Alright. Right here.
Let me order.
Yep. My level again. Holding. Let's see. Am I gonna be rewarded for being patient today, or is this price just gonna continue without me? And yeah, just sometimes you hop on the train. Say you hop on the train. All right, cool. I'm gonna get in when the breaks this way. Breaks this with 60. What's your stop? Right here. And it stops you out right here. Boom. Continues higher. So you gotta be careful on just trying to chase the move. Like this kind of reminds me of this a little bit, right? Um, so I don't know. Do I just take it? Like once it breaks the. I have my buy right here too. My finger on the trigger is right there. All right, let's see how this 5 minute close is. I kind of don't like my levels today. Like just because there's too many levels to look at. Like, what did I do? I don't get it. I made so many levels. Let's see. 75. Look at this extended move already. Like, what the hell? Oh, that was the other day. Um, was I looking for it to break 345 or what?
Order filled.
I'm in long. Stop gonna be below right here. So let's see. Stop below the previous candle's wick, and let's see if I can hold this. This level is kind of worried about right here, but let's see what happens. I'm in long at 313. At the moment, no drawdown. I got in this pullback once it broke this candle's wick, and it's my level. It's holding the level. I went in long. Like, if it comes down and touches today's high again, then that's just, it is what it is. But that's my trade. The big four look pretty good. And yeah, let's see what happens. Want some continuation. Would like some continuation here. Big four pulling back now, but if it can hold right here at 300, then I'm still live. There we go. Held 300. This candle's closing in 30 seconds. This 5-minute candle. Ideally, I wanted to close above 320, and ideally, I would like to close above 330. So let's get this rally up. Push. Come on, come on, come on. It's held my level so far. Let's get this push. All right, it's above the 90 MA. It's kind of curling over a little bit. Are we gonna hold again, or are we gonna break this? So I don't know if my stop should be right there or right here. But I'm gonna give it a little extra room to see what happens. The big four pulling back. 57% long still. Remember, this can be a pullback. This can be a pullback. Don't get too worked up. It can be a pullback, fake out, pullback. Like run some stops, fake out some shorts, and longs come in. Like it's an uptrend, pullback, long. So I'm looking at. Oh, let's see. Come on, baby. Doesn't look good, but yeah, if I was shorting, I'm shorting like right here somewhere. If it can't pass 94, then I'm gonna stop out. Are we holding? Did I get extremely lucky? Probably not, but let's see.
Order filled.
Yep. All right. It wasn't like it's my level. It just overextended a little bit. Like boom, hold right here, hold no hires. So no continuation. So now let's see my P&L. I'm down 129.80. I have today I took my full 350 loss. Like I said, I don't know if I needed to take that full loss or not, but either case, I did. And yeah, like I said, it's going to be annoying if this today's high holds. But we'll see. Let's see, fellow. Hmm, let's see. Anybody who yeah, that's the thing. Like it's extended move. Like I need to look at the 5 minute. Like this was the move right here. Like just taking this breakout, taking this breakout, and then we're going up. Like yeah, that was the move. I didn't want to take it though. So like technically right here, I think if it breaks this, you can go for it. So it's okay. That's why you go for a 2-1 risk to reward, you know? That's just kind of how you trade. At least 2-1, 3-1. Well, let's see this 5 minute. I'm trying to see where it stopped and where did I fail to see it. Yep, look at this 5 minute push and slap down. It probably probably not even hold today's high from what it did earlier. Um, but let's see if it does hold today's high. Okay, I'm going to, like I said, I wasn't too happy about my levels considering I have all these levels that are like cluttered. I don't like that. Um, so that's something that I'm gonna have to work on, and tomorrow I will go back and do it better. So, all right, let's see if today's high so far. Like, look at that nice bounce push, right? So, um, you wanted to hold this area, and I'll see if, but I'm gonna end the stream. No, I'm gonna keep the stream on for 13 more minutes or whatever. Let's see. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just take myself off. Let's